Ciao friends! As promised, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about exercising at home. So I'm not a fitness expert. I'm only doing these to show you that you can keep healthy at home because as we all know, exercise is so important. So why am I sitting in a chair? Because a lot of you can't do high impact, can't do standing up. And I learned these exercises 2 years ago when I broke my leg. There's a bunch of women that I've been following on YouTube. But I want to give a shout out to a number of women doing at-home fitness exercise right now, namely Alfred's daughter-in-law, Lindsay Zaplin. Check her out at Studio 5. Also, Lucy Wyndham Reed has some great videos. Paula B. Fitness has some great videos, but I want to show you a few exercises that I do at home. Okay, it's amazing what you can do in a chair. Now, why am I holding my phone? Because this counts as steps. Yep, counts as steps. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few moves, and usually I do them for a minute at a time. So I usually start by walking, just to warm up a little bit. And then I go into some arm crossers and leg openers. And you know, it's so tough. I know you can't leave the house, you can't go to the gym, you want to keep active. And I promise you, these exercises will get your heartbeat up. Okay, can you believe it? You can even do jumping jacks in a chair. Ready? Woo! They're kind of fun too, right? It's so important during these times to keep moving, keep the blood flowing, keep your mental health straight. And you know, one of the things is when I'm doing my exercises, which I've been doing every single day, I'm not on social media. I'm not looking at news because it can get so overwhelming. This is my time to focus, build my muscles, get a little sweat on. Okay, watch this one. This one's so good. All you have to do is go as low as you can or want, and you go up and down real fast. And again, you know, just do these exercises for 30 seconds and then take a rest. Okay, now this one, I love this one. This one is so good. If you're angry, if you're frustrated, you punch it out. You want to make it harder, punch up. And again, I'm going to leave you guys links to some of these women that I've been following who really have made a difference in my life. Okay, look at this. You can run in a chair. Woo! Okay, couple more exercises. Windmills. And I'm already getting my heartbeat up. Friends, keeping your mind and your body healthy is going to be key. I know you don't feel like it. You don't feel like exercising. But guess what? Gotta do it. Gotta do it, especially during these times. And guess what? If you learn these, you can use these when you go back to the office. Right? Okay, let me see one more. Oh, this one's really good. Double knees. This one really gets my heartbeat going. Okay, there you go, folks. Little exercise at home. Make sure you have plenty of space. Again, I'll leave you links below to all the women that I've been following. This too shall pass. This too shall pass. This too shall pass. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go do these. Ciao.